What do 14 entrepreneurs and a pair of pink high heel shoes have in common? They're co-authors of the Amazon #1 best-selling book, Women in Business, Leading the Way. By sharing our triumphs and struggles, we empower other women to grow.
We are leading by example.
We share great information that will help you.
These dynamic business owners share personal stories of their journey to CEO success.
We believe in each other and we help one another.
I never thought I'd be where I am today, doing business at this level.
I am all about diversity, inclusion, and giving back.
Unveil the unique experiences that only women face.
I've won a lot, and I'm happy to share my secrets with you.
Consequences create courage, not failures.
Trailblazers in business, these women inspire, encourage, and support each other. They have become a sisterhood, paving the way for the next generation of entrepreneurs.
When you truly believe in your vision, you can make magic happen.
Be a part of our empowering journey. Pick up your copy of Women in Business, Leading the Way, available at Amazon.com.